Before we get started, Good Earth security fixtures are incredibly easy to install, and you can do it in essentially 4 easy steps. It is very important to read the entire installation procedure. Select an installation location carefully. Do not aim the PIR sensor toward areas with frequent pedestrian or motorized traffic and/or other objects that generate areas of warmer air. Shut off power at electrical box before removing or installing any fixture. The fixture can be mounted to a round surface mount or a recessed electrical box, or an electrical mounting block like this one. This block has notches on the back to match aluminum or vinyl siding like this house. For surface mounting, pull the supply wires out of the junction box. With the side marked front facing out, attach the mounting strap to the junction box with machine screws. Remove the protective liner from the adhesive side of the gasket. Guide the J-box wires through the gasket opening. Push the ends of the house wires from the J-box into the contact holes of the electrical disconnect plug from the hardware kit. Carefully match the color of the black and white wires corresponding to the color-coded surface of the connector. Insert the house ground wire into the hole marked by the red surface. In one hand, hold the fixture up, and with the other, connect the disconnect plug side hooked up to the junction box into the disconnect plug side connected to the fixture. Carefully, push excess wires and the electrical disconnect plug back into the electrical box. Align the center holes of the fixture and mounting straps. Insert the long machine screw through the fixture's center hole and drive into the strap. Adjust the light according to the mounting location. Aim the PIR sensor toward the intended detection area. Restore power to the electrical box and turn the light on. Your installation is finished.